wanted to do things differently with this YouTube channel. And so I came to India and I'm trying to make travel videos. Now you see, traditionally the travelers and the this is India. Travelers and the vloggers, when they visit India, they mostly only focus on the north side of India, especially the Golden Triangle, which is Delhi, Jaipur and Agra. And they don't pay much attention to the south, leaving most of it unexplored. Okay, but not this guy. My plan is to go from the south and make my way to the north, showing you parts of what happens in South India. Those of you who have seen my previous videos would understand that I had been living in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and now I'm in India. I would say the main difference is that in Dubai, things are hot and sweaty and expensive, while in India, things are extremely cheap. One of the first things that I did here was to get myself a SIM card, and I got one. Unlimited local calls, 2 GB of data every single day, and I only have to pay 198 rupees per month. That's like this much in dirhams and that much in dollars. Super cheap. And then secondly, I had to get all of my necessary documents ready, ID cards and all of those stuff, bank account. You know how it goes. 1 in every 3 households in India owns a two-wheeler. It is extremely popular here and is one of the most efficient modes of transportation that is available in this country. So next on my list is to get myself a two-wheeler bike license. I mean, there are ways you can ride here without needing a license, but get one just to be on the safer side. You have a license here? Yeah? So I came to India with all of these big plans to show you guys my travels within South India. Right now I'm in the state of Kerala. The problem is heavy rainfall and flash floods. This is the effect of just one night's rain. The place that I am right now is called Malappuram, and the situation is not that severe right now, but there are places in Kerala where people are really struggling. This is how far the water has come. And inside the house. There is a chance that the water level will rise, so we are trying to save all of our clothes, put them in a bundle and keep it on the top. Just preparing for the worst. Yesterday it was raining very heavily, and today it was sunny and was having clear skies, but now it's changing. It's getting darker again. The problem is the climate here is unpredictable, just like the traffic, unpredictable.